Welcome to Color and Learn. Hello, little learners. Welcome to our exciting adventure in learning and coloring. Today, we're going to have fun with the letter R. Are you ready? Let's go. This is the letter R. It's a really cool letter because it has a straight line and a curvy part that makes it look like it's ready to run or jump. Can you say R? Now let's make our letter R even more fun by coloring it. Let's get our crayons and color the letter R in blue. Ready? Let's make it look amazing. Great job! The letter R looks awesome in blue. Now let's learn about a fun word that starts with R. Here's a fun word, rabbit. Rabbits are fluffy and cute animals that start with the letter R. Let's color our rabbit friend with a nice soft gray crayon. Are you ready? Wow, look at that lovely gray rabbit. And don't forget our letter R, which looks great in blue. You did a fantastic job today. We learned that the letter R is special with its straight line and curve. We colored the letter R with blue, and we colored our cute rabbit with gray. You did amazing with your coloring. Keep practicing your letters and have fun with your colors. Thanks for joining us on this colorful adventure. We had so much fun learning about the letter R and coloring our rabbit. See you next time for more fun and learning. Bye-bye. We've got so many more adventures lined up just for you, so stay tuned and be ready for our next exciting episode. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a big thumbs up. That way, you'll never miss out on our fun and fantastic new videos. Thanks for being such awesome viewers. See you next time for more learning and fun. Until then, keep smiling and keep exploring.